Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be transforming the Miata. As you guys know, on every car, on everybody, I say lighting is super important. When you have halogen lights or you have low dimmed lights and you switch them, upgrade them to LED bright lights, it transforms the car and it makes it look a lot more modern. With that being said, if you guys can go ahead and click the like button for me in today's video, and let's introduce today's sponsor. I'd like to go ahead and introduce today's sponsor, LasFit AutoLighting. You guys know they're the best in the game when it comes to LEDs. I have all my LEDs for my G35 from LasFit and they look absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down to their website down below. Go ahead, check them out, and I'm also gonna leave the individual links to each of these products. So let's introduce the lineup here. Starting with our front product, these are gonna be our rear reverse lights. This is gonna be our rear reverse lights, which is going to be this white light bulb right here. It got noisy outside, so I brought it back in, but anyways, these are gonna be our rear turn signals, and this is gonna be our front turn signals. Look how big they are and giant, bro. These look like some beefed up LED lights. I'm excited to see how they look. I'm really excited. So as you guys know, to enjoy LEDs, it has to be nighttime. So we're gonna go ahead, wait out the day, wait till it's nighttime, go outside, install the LEDs, and then show you guys the massive difference that it makes when you upgrade to LEDs. It's gonna transform the Miata. I feel 100% confident. Finally, nighttime, we're gonna test out the turning signals in the front and the back reverse lights. Right now, OEM original. Go, there you have it. Take a good look at it. It's bright. I mean, it's not bright, but you can see them, but a little dim. I mean, it works, it does the job, but it could be better. That's my point. There you go. That's the reverse lights. They do its purpose. They work fine, but I'm telling you, they look a little yellow, and with these brand new LEDs, they're gonna look bright and white and a lot brighter. So we're gonna do one half old, one half new, and see the big difference. All right, guys, so to uninstall your front rear turn signals, it's super simple. You see this gray tab right there? We're just gonna go ahead and disconnect that real quick. Let me do that for you. Shine some light right there. You just press down on the button, and then there you go. You disconnect it just as so. And then this is just your basic turn and twist and pull out. So turn and twist and then pull out. Some of you guys need to learn how to pull out. This is how you do it, okay? This is who you are. This is the guy they tell you not to worry about, man. Like, look at this thing, bro. Can you focus on it? Like, this thing is, and it's got their signature on the front, LasFit in the front, gold. It's freaking nice, man. It's got LEDs all around. I mean, this thing is freaking nice compared to this thing, bro. Are you serious? Like, and it feels a lot heavier too, so it feels quality. It feels super nice. I'm excited to put this on. So there's like two little dots right there, two little dots. I don't know if you can focus and see on that. And then right here, there's two little engravings right there. You're gonna put the dots and the engravings down and then just twist it and secure it, and you'll feel the click. It's absolutely naked. You're gonna have floor mats and everything. Just go ahead and uncover it, and this is somewhat of what it should look like. So you will have one bolt right here, and then you have another nut on top of here. So you have one, two, and then you have one right here, which I do not have. Oh, damn. So right here you can easily access the light bulbs here. They go on according to what they are. So for example, this white light right here, you see this white light, that's gonna correspond to this, of course. Basic turn and twist, replace the LED, and then pop back on. So let's go ahead and do that. Pop it out. You can see right there, this is the reverse light, similar bulb to the front turn signals. There you go. Clicked in. But how will they perform? That's a real question. So let's go ahead and pop this in. Take in mind, this is gonna be the new side. This is the new side. This is the old side, okay? Let's see how much better it is. Go ahead. Oh my god, when I'm like, look at it. You can see how much dimmer this is and how much brighter this is. Honest review right here. We're just gonna do a reaction right here. Honest opinion. What do you think?
I feel like I'm being blind by my left side and not blind on my right.
What she's trying to say is that the left side is a lot brighter, man. Like, look, this one, look, the camera can capture this perfectly. It doesn't look like the image is being distorted at all. This though, man, that is crazy.
I feel like when you take it out for a spin, you're going to blind some people.
That's what we want. That's the goal here with LasFit LED, man. And so let's go ahead and cue the turn signals. I mean, it does its job, but check out the right side, bro. Like, oh, you could just, the light is just emitting on the lens. Let's go ahead and back up. Dude, like, is that even on when you look at this? Cue the reverse. Woo! This is another faded yellow. Faded yellow. Cool white, man. Oh, which one looks better?
Well, obviously the right.
The right one looks better. Oh, that was a joke. That was a joke, huh? Oh, okay, that was a joke. That was a joke.
Obviously, this, like, look, it's like I can do my makeup here, good. And if I go over here, my makeup will look like shit. If I had any.
So you guys can see both of them at the same time. Look, the quality of that.
What is that?
That's what I'm saying. They almost look like the same color.
LasFit? Damn, right as
She can't even open her
hell.
eyes. Look, how did she open her eyes?
That one?
LasFit,
LasFit, gosh darn it.
Oh. Sheesh. Sheesh. Told you. Left. Oh, shameless. It's almost like a damn headlight. Look how bright
It's
it
better
is,
than
bro.
your headlights.
It's better. That's actually true. My rear turn signals are officially brighter than my actual headlights. That thing is bright. You guys see it lighting up the whole damn truck over there? Holy crap, that's insane. But yeah, guys, don't forget to use BD10 on LasFit.com for 10% off. Don't forget. But we're gonna pretty much leave this video on that note. You guys saw the quality of the light bulbs. They're absolutely incredible. I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description down below, every single one. Go ahead, check them out. Equip your Miata with the best LED. And if you don't have a Miata, if you have any other car like my G35 or any other car, they have LEDs for those cars as well. Check them out, man. Their LEDs are absolutely beautiful. You guys saw the projection. The light projection is absolutely incredible. So I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you once again to LasFit for sponsoring this video, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out. Love you guys. Stay safe. Guys, this is bonus content once again. We're driving. This is the freaking headlight projection. I'm about to turn on the emergency lights so the turn signals can activate. I'm super impressed by the lighting projection. I'm really impressed. So I want to show you guys. Look how it is. I'm gonna turn them on. I'm telling you guys, they light up the whole entire street. It is incredible. Like, where the hell do you even see that? That's just crazy. And then back to the headlights. We need our headlights to be a lot brighter. So that's literally the last piece we're missing.